Hey guys, it's Hannah from Let's Head Out, and I'm filming the introduction for Savi's workshop for Devin to get his lightsaber today. He is like beyond excited. How excited are you, Devin?
Pretty excited.
Really?
Yeah.
Like on a scale level for your excitement level, how high is it?
About 9 or 10.
Wow, that's really high. But then again, it doesn't take much to get you excited about stuff. So here's Savi's workshop, and we are going to be filming inside of it. So I will be waiting 1 minute. All right.
Hold up high all the way inside. Then, walking to the workshop, make sure we can see those violet credentials and you can hold it all the way inside.
You're back.
My next party, you're going to hit all the way down to the end.
Great sons. Great. My first boulder right here. And then
Alright, look at this. Yes, we've been waiting. This is ready to go. Oh man, this is what we waited for. Thank you for being here. Alright. Oh, you got a board. Look at that. Be careful, we got a stray lobcat walking around. Alright, we're in. Alright, well, as leaders of this group, I say we begin. Are you ready? Yes. Alright, well, you found us. Congratulations. I'd like to say, welcome to the workshop. How you doing today? Good? Good. Good. I'm glad you're here. Good to see you. Now, I see you've met my companions over here. We've got Francois. We've got Casey. Over there we've got Cassie, Sydney, and Adam. And as leader of this group, you may call me Kembe. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, hey Kembe, what did I walk into? This all looks like a lot of old junk. But let me assure you, some of this is new junk. Now, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. And what we really do is we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We travel to the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, well that, my friends, is what we smuggle and hide here among all the junk. So, where a wandering stormtrooper sees worthless, cluttering crates against the walls, those who know, like you, will see priceless history. And we, the Gatherers, believe that preserving our past may just ensure our future. Now, you have heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes. Yes? Yes. You better have. Yes, indeed. Well, we hear there's a new Jedi, and she has been spotted right here on Batu, and her name is? Rey. Rey, that's right. What she's leading is a spark of hope you've been waiting for, which is why you're here to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and most powerful enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today, as you construct your very own lightsaber, you will feel that connection. But where do we start? Where do we begin? Well, we begin with perhaps the most important element of any lightsaber, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. You see, the color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's plasma blade. Maybe you know some of these from legend, history. Blue, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi and his young apprentice Anakin Skywalker. And now, legend has it, perhaps, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself. Luke Skywalker. Violets, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by the Jedi Order's greatest swordsman, Mace Windu. Red, it has been called the color of power, and is the crystal of Darth Maul, Sith assassin, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, Kylo Ren. These are stories of the past. We're here for you, the future, to look ahead. So now it's time for you to choose your kyber crystal, which will be the heart of your lightsaber. So, builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Well, it's time. Here's what I need you to do. I need you to focus. Be in this moment right now. Clear your minds. And all builders right now, close your eyes. And picture in your mind's eye the colors I will mention out loud right now. Blue, green, violet, red. And you will notice one color shines brightest amongst all the other colors in your mind. That color calls to you. So now everyone open your eyes and select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Now builders, after you've selected your kyber crystal, carefully place your kyber crystal on the green crystal holder at your station. You will now connect your kyber crystal to the lightsaber design you have selected. You will of course begin by building your very own lightsaber hilt. Now that will be the foundation of your lightsaber, the center of your control, and the only thing keeping your hands from being disintegrated. You can always get new hands with your original hands are better. Now, take a look at your box. You may have never seen a lightsaber in this state. It is time for Lightsaber 101, the anatomy of your hilt. In your box, to the far left, you'll see what is called your lightsaber chassis. All the way to the far right, you'll see your activation plates and your controls. In sections 1 and 2, 4 different types of grips or sleeves. Section 3, with very powerful blade mirrors. And section 4, your power caps. Now you will choose each piece to create your own unique lightsaber hilt. Please turn your attention to the find of gatherers standing in front of you. They will guide you through this ancient tradition. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Well, it's time to build.
Welcome travelers, my name is Cassie and I'll be guiding you through today. To begin, we're going to start by taking our chassis. Our very first step will be to insert our kyber crystal into that center chamber. Now you're going to find in that chamber that the top plate will have some spring to it, while the bottom plate will be stationary. So we're going to wedge our crystal into place. How I like to do it is by resting one end up against the top panel, tension nice and tight there, and then press in and out on the bottom. Now this step can be difficult since every crystal is unique, so if you find an easier way to get yours in, go right ahead. What we're looking for is for that crystal to stand straight up and down with each end locked into a plate. To test this, you can twist it around, make sure it doesn't wiggle or fall out the other side. Very important, you should see a steady blink of the lights at the top, matching your crystal's color. There we go. Alright, now we're ready to go down to the very last row in our box. Our next step is activation plate. There are 2 pairs in front of you. You cannot mix them to make sure both paths come from the same compartment. If you turn to the inside of each piece, you'll see there is a square there. One piece will have a red square in the bottom corner. The other piece will have a blue square in the top corner. These squares are going to align directly to the matching ones on your chassis. We're going to put blue to blue on one side, that'll cover half the crystal. Then if you put red to red on the other, the 2 pairs should meet. Once you have both pieces on, go ahead and hold up your hilt. We're going to double check on this. Go ahead and slide that black bar down first, and then up and down. Perfect. I think I heard of it, just do it one more time, slide up.
Okay.
You got it recorded?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice.
So now we have those plates in place. We can go back to the first 2 rows. Our first activation step is to pick any 2 out. We're going to put one above our activation plates and one underneath. And any grid will go in either spot as long as you find that wider flared out edge. Make sure that wider edge is in the center. And you're going to press towards the plates as you twist. Keep doing both pressing and twisting just until they're just tight and no longer. So while you're in the middle, press towards the plates as you twist and then stop as soon as it's tight. You can choose any other of the remaining grips you like for that bottom side. Just do the same thing. And if you're happy with your grip choices, your next piece will be an emitter from row 3 to the very top.
I like it.
And your final piece will be a pummel cut from row 4, how to complete your boots on the bottom. And whenever you're ready, your next step will be to choose an emitter from row 3 to the very top.
And then row 4 is the one that I saw had a ring on it. Going on the bottom.
So these are all of the invited symbols.
And then to complete your boots, the last piece you'll need is a pummel cut from row 4. That's going to be on the very bottom.
Oh, okay.
Just that
All you need now is a pummel cut from row 4 to complete your boots. Once everything's together and you're happy with your design, please come and stand in front of you and then do one final check before we move on.
Once you're satisfied with your
Make sure everything's nice and snug. Let's make a little splash. Now when they calls you for it and says activate on the side up on that switch, it says deactivate, so they'll be right there to switch off. Congratulations.
You sound like a proud father of a lightsaber.
Well done. Builders, if you have completed your hilts, take this moment now to place your hands on the center of your lightsaber. Remember we talked about the connection. Bear in mind, focus on your kyber crystal. Legend has it, your lightsaber's kyber crystal will help you find balance within the force when you need it most. And the color of your crystal determines your demeanor and your position within the order. Now remove your hands and take a look at your hilts. Be proud. Each piece was chosen by you is a direct reflection of your creative skill and imagination. How do you feel? Good? Nice. They are beautiful. Now, I will ask you to follow my directions very carefully. Please, leave your hilts where they are and simply step away from your stations against the wall. Very carefully. All right, gatherers, it's time. Now, we, the gatherers, are not force sensitive. We cannot harness the power of the force. So in order to safely stabilize the crystals into the crystal stabilization chambers. As you know, kyber crystals have a very powerful energy field and they must be stabilized at all costs. My job is to make sure all the crystals have been stabilized. Now, we are clear. Hold, please.
Many parts silver now join they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Whoa. Master Yoda. Yes, it is indeed time. We are at the final stage. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a few moments, I will ask the builders to move forward. Then, I will ask you to place your hands on your hilts. And on my command, and in tradition, you will activate as one. Builders, are you ready? Yeah! Please, move forward. Place your hands on your hilts and activate. Builders, please raise your lightsabers high. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Well done. Now please, deactivate your lightsaber.
lightsaber is. Like your way it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to help protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you the Saber Shield. And wherever you see that symbol, our symbol, may it remind you of the knowledge we've passed on to you today. Because our time here is at an end. But your journey has just begun. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember, you, just as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have built. So one last time here in the workshop, raise your lightsabers and activate. Well done. Congratulations. Now your next step, collect your cargo. And then you will exit through those doors and collect your saber machine. Congratulations. Till the spot, everyone. Right this way.
So that was Build Your Own Lightsaber at Savi's workshop. I hope you enjoyed the video. We enjoyed making it. I thought Hannah did a pretty good job at narrating and all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you to everybody that subscribed. It really means a lot to our channel. If you're watching our videos and haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's the best way I know to tell you to help, if you know, to help support the channel. So please ring the notification bell to be updated about videos whenever we post new ones, and like, share, and so yeah, I guess that about wraps things up. So till next time, let's head out together. See ya.